Hello, and welcome to AXLR8's BS7858 2012 system. It is a fundamental requirement for those wishing to comply with BS7858 and other industry codes of practice to operate a stringent pre-employment vetting policy. With AXLR8's online application system and resource management solution, this process has been integrated to enable easy tracking and reporting on the applicant's progress. This tutorial will introduce you to the vetting system, describe its various functions, and highlight the sources of information required for successfully vetting a new member of staff.
On this first screen, you can currently see the list of members plus the data at a glance. For instance, you're able to see the staff name, national insurance number, postcode, and their progress through the vetting process. You can also filter by their last name, by the vetting status, and also by various date filters such as the date that they were promoted. This enables you to filter through the list of large amounts of staff to find specific people in a specific manner. Clicking on the progress icon will allow you to see in greater detail the staff member's vetting record.
The first line of this report displays the date of the staff member was promoted to staff, the last time the BS7858 record was updated, and by whom. BS7858 requires a screening file, electronic or paper, to be established for each individual to include the following: copies of original documents produced by the applicant, including passport, UK driving licence, and/or birth certificate. Copy of CV or application form as part of the normal recruitment process. Original criminal record check disclosure form, or the more updated Disclosure and Barring Service Check, DBS for short, or a copy of their SIA licence. Evidence that the screening has been conducted and includes proof of identity, evidence of employment history confirmation, periods of unemployment, records of self-employment, periods of residence abroad, evidence of character references, and any other information which may be relevant, such as issues which you have reviewed and accepted, i.e. the risk of a poor credit history. Following cessation of the employment, the above information should be kept for 7 years. This information can be found and recorded in the next few sections. You can see the proof of address, the identity documents, the 5-year history, the character references, and their personal data. The personal data can include a credit check, passport details, and their work eligibility. And then finally, you can see the section for the final approval. And this is where you can see first approval, by whom and when, the second approval, and whether they've not been approved. You're also able to add in any extra comments that you may wish. Adding a document to the system is simple. All you need to do is click on the green plus icon, wait for the file manager to load, browse for your file, or choose a file from the web, add a description, and then choose your file type. The file type is important as it helps you to categorize whether, for instance, it's a character reference, an employment history, or a form of ID documentation as stated by Group A and Group B in the BS7858 requirements documents. Once you're happy that you've selected your file type, simply press Save and press Close. If you would like to add a different type of record, however, such as a 5-year history, you simply press the green arrow, type in their name and the company, the address, telephone, business nature, the position held, any further details, the start date and the end date. If, however, you just simply want to see the data that's currently recorded, simply click Hide Details. It's simple to see all of the files that have been associated to a particular member of staff in the system. You simply click on the folder icon at the top of the screen, and then view the files that have been uploaded. Some of these you can see are obsolete, meaning that they are no longer relevant and will not be displayed. You can also see the file type, and if you wish to view the file, you can then click on either the file name or click on Open to download it to your computer. Confirmation of gaps in employment have increased from 28 days to 31 days, so travelling and not working needs to be verified and recorded in the system. In order to verify a document, you simply need to click on the tick box underneath Verified next to the uploaded document. If, however, you try and accept the documents without having verified all of them, you will see an error message indicating what needs to be done, in this case to verify all of the employment records before ticking Accept. So in summary, you are able to use the BS7858 module in conjunction with the Staff Details section in order to record and store all of your users' information. This includes all documents, all dates, everything has an audit trail, and everything can be recorded and monitored. Thank you very much for watching this video on the BS7858, and if you do have any questions, please do feel free to contact AXLR8, either the sales department or the support department, with the information details at the end of this video. Thank you.